Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel if you have already been here. I'm going to unbox my daily goodie box. I saw somebody unbox this yesterday. I saw a notification that somebody got this, and I'm like, darn, I didn't want to look because I wanted to wait till I got mine. And yes, that is Brooklyn trying to eat the box. So I just got mine today, so I don't know what's in it. So it's a surprise to me. So you guys have probably seen other people unbox it, I would assume, but I just got it. So let's see what it is, Brooklyn, shall we? Don't mind that mess over there. It's just more packages. I just did a giveaway video. My calendar is right here, and I have my little Dollar Tree little pen over here. So yeah, just sorry about the clutter. I've been trying to work on cleaning clutter all day long. My room has just gotten so bad. I just have no room. We don't have a walk-in closet. So everything is just like, half of the stuff is out of my closet. I've got to start going through it and doing more giveaways. But here is the daily goodie box. Don't mind my nails, haven't had time to redo them. So it just says enjoy all the free samples and full-size products inside. And remember to log in and rate them or review them. I guess I'll have to leave it way, oh my gosh, right on top. I think I have to leave it way up here because I've got Brooklyn right here. Look at this. They are Little Secrets chocolate pieces, peppermint and dark chocolate. It says they're, it says colors from natural sources, non-GMO, and I can't read the other thing, limited edition. Oh my gosh, this is from littlesecrets.com. Again, I will have all the links for all these things in my description box. Oh, these sound so good. And my daughter Nicole's already got her hand out. All right, what else did I get? This is a 2 serving in every pack. Always toast before you drink to your health. This is berry flavored Gummy Bears dietary supplement. Ooh. So I guess vitamins, I don't know. I don't drink. So I think this is like something that where you won't get a hangover or something. Because I remember receiving something like this before. Yeah, it says take 1 serving, which is 5 gummies before drinking. Take up to 1 additional serving of 5 gummies as needed. So yeah, it is for drinking. So I guess you don't have a hangover. I don't know. I'm handing everything to Nicole. Nicole, as you're getting everything, just put them in this box so we can keep it all. Here I have a Rise Brewing Company oat milk vanilla nitro cold brew coffee, dairy free. Now this sounds really good. It's a flavored cold coffee, oat milk vanilla. I love coffee. I am a coffee drinker like crazy, so ooh, I'm looking forward to this. Yeah. Yes. Nice. Yes. Okay, what else did we get? We got this, oh good, this is the green goo pain relief. Helps temporarily relieve symptoms. Muscles, joint pain, bruises. I have fibromyalgia. I don't know if it would help that, but I also have arthritis in my hands, so maybe it'll help that. Yes, I will be 51 years old it's the 9th in 3 days. It is December 9th right now. My birthday's December 12th. 52 years old, and yes, this will come in handy. It seems like the older I get, the more pain I'm in. This one is Kirks 3-in-1. Let me go ahead and open it because I can't really read what it is. Oh, it dripped all over too. Thank goodness they put it in a container. Look at this. It's all slimy. So let's see. 3-in-1, head to toe, nourishing cleanser. So Kirks. I'm gonna show you right here. It's kind of like, you know, it's kind of gross because it leaked, but there's still a lot of product in there. And so again, I'm gonna go ahead and it's mint and eucalyptus. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, well that is a small sample, which usually we get full-size items, but I will definitely get use out of this small sample. I probably put it in my shower tonight. Oh, it smells so good. So be careful with that.
Don't you want the whole thing in it?
Huh?
Don't you want it in it?
Just put it like up and down instead of,
up and
yeah.
down, sit inside it.
What is this? Bee's Knees salted honey straws. I don't know what to do with these. I guess it's honey, obviously. Honey straws? I don't get it. I don't get it. Blending the best wildflower honey from the USA with a sea salt brine, we've created Bee's Knees salted honey to settle the score and call sweet and salty both the top ranking flavors on any dish. This honey is great on anything from a spread of goat cheese to a pile of freshly buttered toast or a scoop of warm fruit cobbler. Also says best bowl of oatmeal ever. We think so. So that's what this is for. So I like honey. I just hardly ever use it because I don't really cook. I don't know. I don't know if I would use these really, but I'll see if my husband would, because sometimes he cooks. Most of the time we just eat out, you know, order something in actually. So, okay, those are honey straws.
Oh!
You know what those are, Nicole?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
Yummy.
Okay.
I'll show you how to eat these.
Okay. So Nicole knows what they are, so that's good. So here is by Nail-Ack, or, well, it says Nail-Ack. Nail-Ack? I don't know. Cuticle and nail oil right here. So I definitely need this. I'm going to keep this for sure. Oh, look at this bottle. It's so pretty. Look at that. So yeah, I like this a lot. I like the bottle. And so cuticle and nail oil. I need some of this. I don't have any cuticle oil, and I always hear people using it, and I guess it's supposed to make it, I don't even know what it's supposed to do, make it softer, make your nails harder. I don't know, but let's see. It looks like there's one more item in here. The most convenient coffee ever. What is this? Coba milk, 1 bar, 1 coffee. Right here. I don't get it. 1 bar, 1 cup of coffee. It says how to enjoy. Open package, take a bite, that's it. Okay, so it must be just like a little candy bar or something, or chocolate or something, or maybe, I don't know what it's going to taste like. But it's supposed to, I guess, contain a whole bottle, a whole thing of coffee. Let me see. It looks like a little chocolate bar. Except it tastes just like coffee, which is fine with me. I love coffee, so that's good. Oh, can you put that in the box? So, okay, I think that's it for my box. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all of this in the description down below of all of the sites where you can find these products. And again, Daily Goodie Box, thank you very much. Probably won't watch this, but you know, who knows? Maybe you will. So that is my Daily Goodie Box for December. And keep in mind the Daily Goodie Box is spelt this way, not Goody. If you go to the Daily Goodie Box and you don't spell it this way, apparently there's a company calling themselves the Daily Goodie Box and they are asking for a credit card. These people do not ask for a credit card. This is completely free. So again, there it is. And it is in my description box. The actual, it's not a referral code or anything or referral link. It's just the real website, okay? So everybody give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, please take a moment and comment down below. And subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. I have giveaways every Sunday. Pretty late sometimes on announcing the winner, but sorry about that. And that's it. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.